I gotta go Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch? Nah, I fuck with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, bro.
I gotta go Reese's Puffs immediately after though.
Reese Puffs?
Nigga, like this. I'm talking about eat the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and nigga, I use my cinnamon milk for the Reese's Puff. And if I'm having a...
That might have been the most...
Wait, I ain't done those, man. Immediately, third, you gotta throw it out for some fruit, no homo. Oh, no. Fruity Pebble. Third cereal. In the Reese's milk.